Are you tired of being treated like a baby? Are you ready to be an adult? Well, I'm going to introduce to you the first thing you need to know about growing up that I wish I knew when I was a teenager. Today's video is all about adulting for beginners. So, let's begin. When I was in high school, I had what I would call the don't bug me mentality. As you can see, it's a very happy and life-fulfilling mentality which keeps a very open mind. But what does this mean? In my perspective, my life was relatively simple. School was my job, fun was my purpose in life, and chores was an unnecessary pain that I would occasionally have to do out of the kindness of my heart. And well, I thought life was easy. I thought I'm so smart, school's a breeze to me, for sure I'll be a success. I'll graduate, get a good job, and be totally awesome. And I just didn't know why my parents were so stressed and always so controlling. You may be able to relate. But after graduating high school, I ended up going to Brazil for 2 years to live on my own. It was then that my perspective and the size of my face quickly began to change, and I started living life on my own. And I wouldn't even call it living on my own. The better phrase would be surviving on my own, I think. What I thought would be easy was surprisingly difficult. The simplest tasks turned into complex problems, and I was forced to learn some hard lessons in life. First I found out why my parents would get so mad when we missed trash day. Apparently, if you miss enough of them, things get bad. And I mean real bad and stinky. Next, my water heater broke the first day of winter. Neither me or my roommate had any idea how to fix it or to get anyone to fix it. We ended up taking cold showers for 2 weeks. Some days it got so bad that we would heat water up on the stove and take sponge baths because it was so cold. I was surprised to find out how tiring and time-consuming simple chores and errands could be. Things like copying a key, doing laundry, or dry cleaning. I didn't even know what dry cleaning was at the time. And to think my mom would do all of these things and all these errands without complaining with the rest of her life. No wonder she was so stressed. And even buying shampoo was hard for me. I remember thinking, why are there so many brands? The first time I went to buy it on my own, I ended up buying conditioner by mistake. I didn't even know what conditioner was at the time until my roommate had to explain it to me. And well, after it made sense because my shampoo seemed to always make my hair so slippery. And I bought conditioner. I began to face reality and learned there were no breaks in life. Trash day, broken showers, errands, and daily necessities like shampoo took no pity on me. Life was very hard. It wasn't till I was older that I figured out that I wasn't really living life in high school. I was only living this small part of life and avoiding the rest of it. What I thought were unnecessary pains of life like housework, finances, cooking, and cleaning were actually what life was all about. And it's by living and participating in all these activities of life that I really found joy and fulfillment. Look at it this way. Is it easier or harder to live a happy life with all these conditions? Harder, right? There's really no time to do many relaxing activities when you're fixing problems all day, whether that be personal problems or financial problems or when you have relationship issues. These things get in the way of being happy when they don't have to be. The thing is, there is a lot of life to live. School is only a small part, and a very small part of what will make us happy and successful. If I were to go back in time to when I was in high school, knowing what I know now, I would begin learning how to really live life, not just this small part. Parents will help, but in the end, it's your responsibility to figure this out and really live life. It's your responsibility to learn the skills needed to be happy. So the next time your parents invite you to help around the house or maybe even chop some vegetables for dinner, take some time out of what seems to be your busy life right now and happily try to participate and really live life. Well, good luck in your future attempts at adulting. Hopefully it will be easier for you than it was for me. Until next time.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel for more content. We'll see you next time.